Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds HONOR Earbuds X6 using your phone. And all you need to have for this, just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now, connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one at the bottom of the charging case. On the front side we see this LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. And that's it. This earbuds doesn't support reverse wireless charging, so we can use only a cable to charge it using a phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!